Alright, what's up everybody? Back out here at the car. Today, we're going to be getting rid of this throttle body. Well, not getting rid of it, but taking it out and cleaning it up. It was really dirty. That's what happens when the previous owner doesn't take care of the air filter there. So, we're going to start with these bolts right here. Okay. I'm getting all sidetracked. First, you're going to want to just disconnect your battery. That's so at the end we can reset the computer so it doesn't run off of dirty throttle body data and it resets. So I was kind of having a rough idle, and so I started with the IEC over here. I cleaned that out and it was just so dirty. It looked like it had been at like the bottom of a barbecue pit for a while or something, and so I decided, yeah, it's time to take this whole contraption apart and just clean it up, because I didn't do that 2 years ago when I put the engine in. I just put this all back together without cleaning it. One more sensor here, if I can get it, and then there's just going to be 4 bolts. So I'm going to take these bolts off. So I haven't even really been gone, per se, although I did do some traveling and then work picked up when I came back. I've been working a ton of hours, but like over the legal limit of hours, but I've actually been doing other videos that I haven't even put up yet. Here's the thing. I was doing a fuel injector upgrade and the injectors aren't working, but the guy swears up and down that they're going to work, so he sent me replacement set upon replacement set upon replacement set, and each time it's ran a little better, but it's still run like crap. So anyway, that video is still in the making. I still have another set I have to put in. It's the last one I'm going to do, and then after that, if they don't work, I'm going to get a different injector set. But, oop, that one fell. It's on the ground. Grab it in a minute. Yeah, so that's where I've been. Alright, so it didn't fall on the ground. What the fuck? Where the hell is it? You guys see it? Someone's gonna comment and be like, you idiot, it's right there. I'm not seeing it. What the? Alright, well. Cut. Look at that. Look at the sheer level of inconvenience. It's in there. Alright, this is why you're more careful. Alright, so this should just come off now. You just gotta wiggle it out of everything. And there you go. Dirty. But it seems like everything survived in here. It's pretty clean. Anyway, now I gotta start taking off these sensors and stuff. Alright, so this is the IEC right here. We're gonna just take it off. It's just two screws. Anyway, so I've been thinking. I picked out a 3.5 inch lift for the Jeep. See, I just cleaned that. And it's enticing. It's from various different manufacturers. I think Rubicon Express was part of it. Oh, that's really on there. Might take some coaxing. But that one's not going to come off, is it? Damn it. I'll figure it out. I'm going to get it off one way or another. Alright, so these two guys are just unforgivingly stuck. and they're made with these really stupid, it's this stupid design. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, these are a really stupid design right here. They strip easily, so don't want to mess with them too much right now. The important one is this. I can get to pretty much everything now, and it is, look at that, it is dirty over there. We're gonna clean this thing up. I'm very annoyed. We're gonna use brake parts cleaner and a toothbrush. Just gonna clean up the outside as well. Scrub what I can. I think you guys get the gist. Just clean it up. Clean up the whole thing, you know. You see all that build up there? Clean it. Clean it! So, stick it like that. Then you put the screws in. Just screw these in, you know, make sure it's even on both sides. Not really a difficult task. You just kind of tighten it up. Again, it uses those really badly designed little screws here, so just be careful with them. Alright. Now that the whole one sensor I could get off is back on, time to put this gasket down. This is a replacement gasket. Do not reuse that original gasket. That is stupid. These cars are 20, 30 years old. Just place that down. Grab your bolts. It's really an easy job. Simple job. So the way I find best to make sure this gasket stays, you know, seats properly, is before you even tighten anything down, like at all, just put them in and screw them in a little bit of a ways. That way, you know, the gasket's sitting perfectly around each bolt, and you're worry-free. That's it. Now you know it's perfect. No problems. And then you tighten it down. Easy stuff, guys. This is, if you're looking for some first repairs to do on your car, this is one of them. Take this off and clean it. Alright. Plug your stuff up. And obviously make sure it's dry before you clean it up, you know, maybe before you install it, so that way you don't end up with other unrelated, you know, other problems more than the ones you had before you started the job. Alright, so once you got those leads reconnected and you're sure that all your sensors are in place up here, it's time to properly reset the computer. You start by taking the leads and holding them together for 30 seconds. Then you reconnect them. That drains out any electricity still floating around in the car. Then get in, key in the on position, headlights on, headlights off, done. Now you're reset. So this is what I was talking about, like, this paint is beautiful. It's in great shape, but we got a couple little things like this here, or this, or, you know, specks from the highway. I don't drive near anybody, but you know, it still happens. We live in New England and they refuse to clean the roads. Or that one. And you know, it's like, yeah, there's no dire need to paint it, but why wait? You know what I mean? I don't know. Do I paint it or do I do a lift kit? They're both going to cost the same. No, there's just a little bit of stuff. You know, look at that. See, there's a spot right there, and it cleans up really nice. If I remember, I'll put a picture. Look how nice that runs now.